Today, we are going to explore jury selection services and trial preparation services and how they can greatly benefit people involved in both civil and criminal trials. By the end of this video, we hope you will see just how important jury preparation services and trial consultant services are to helping to secure a more favorable decision for your side in a litigious court battle. I am Dr. Makayla Saramosing, your host for today. Please remember, for top-notch legal services in Oklahoma, such as mobile notaries, nationwide process serving, international criminal and civil private investigations, mediation services, jury selection services, polygraph examinations, nationwide document retrieval, nationwide skip tracing, bodyguard services, nationwide criminal and civil background checks, international social media scans/deep internet searches, and more. Please call or text our other legal experts and me at our women-owned firm at 405-593-3515. Before we go into detail, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and to click the little bell so you get all the instant notifications. Also, please be sure to share this video on your social media and to comment on it. Have you ever needed to hire a jury selection consultant in OKC or a trial consultant from a private detective agency in OKC to help pick out the jury for a civil or criminal trial? If so, you are very smart because oftentimes the jury can make all the difference in whether you receive your monetary settlement or a not guilty verdict in a trial. When combined with an extremely effective criminal defense attorney in Oklahoma City like Dustin Phillips, our jury preparation services and trial preparation services can help provide you with the legal justice you seek by tipping Lady Justice's scales in your favor. During the jury selection process, also known as voir dire, both sides, the prosecution/plaintiff and the defense, receive a certain number of challenges or strikes. Civil and criminal defense lawyers can both use these challenges to remove potential jurors from the jury pool for any legally valid reason. While criminal defense attorneys near me, prosecutors, and civil trial lawyers may not remove or strike potential jurors for things like their race, sexual orientation, etc., there are many valid reasons they may do so. A jury selection service and trial preparation service have special training, degrees, and other specialized knowledge to help take the burden and stress of the voir dire/jury selection process off the shoulders of lawyers. Besides, many a criminal defense lawyer and civil trial lawyer are not specialized in jury selection services and trial selection services, and many of our specialists have more advanced training and skills than their law firm counterparts do anyway. You might sometimes wonder why you would ever need to hire a jury preparation service or to find a trial preparation service from a private detective agency during the voir dire/jury selection process. Well, there are many reasons you might want someone to help you with jury selection and trial preparation. We have outlined those reasons below as follow. Juries can be totally unpredictable. Ever think you have a can't-lose case? Well, think again. Both judges and juries can prove to be extremely unpredictable. No matter how solid you think your legal case might be, you might still lose it even though you are in the right and have all the facts and evidence in your favor. This is why you should locate a jury preparation service and find the best trial consultant near me to help you choose the right jury and to add more predictability to your legal case's outcome. All jurors have individual biases. All jurors are human, and thus each juror sees life through her/his/their own rose-colored lenses via both their subjective experiences and genetic factors like intellectual capabilities, etc. Some jurors are more likely to side with the defense if they are persons of color, while a rape victim might be more likely to side with the prosecution. When you hire a jury selection service near me and find a trial preparation service from our private investigation agency to help you navigate these intricacies, you help put the odds of a favorable outcome back in your favor. Juries can be fickle. Juries are so unpredictable, and you never really know what they will do. The flimsiest criminal case can end in the death penalty for an innocent criminal defendant, And a civil case that looks like a sure thing can end with the wrongful termination of parental rights for a doting dad, or a catastrophic loss for a business, insurance company, etc. Jurors are not always very bright. Prosecutors and certain plaintiffs tend to pick off the most intelligent people from juries because they do not want anyone on a jury who can think or who is educated. People with the ability to think divergently and use highly toned critical thinking skills might end up with more reasonable doubt in their minds. Prosecutors and many plaintiffs want simple-minded individuals whom they can easily control and manipulate. Many people do not know this, which is why when you find someone to help with jury preparation and trial selection from a private investigation agency before a big civil or criminal trial, you help tilt the odds of a successful outcome back in your favor. Jurors do not always speak English well. Not all jurors speak English well, and some will even try to hide it so that others cannot detect this about them. While sometimes it is obvious when someone does not speak English well enough to understand basic court proceedings, at other times it is more difficult to discern whether they do. This can require a bit more effort, and a jury selection expert and trial selection expert from the best private detective agency near me expert can help accurately assess the linguistic proficiency of each would-be juror. Jurors can lie. Yes, as sad as it might seem, it can be true indeed that some jurors lie. Whether on their jury questionnaires or under preliminary questioning during voir dire, jurors can have all kinds of motivations to deceive one side or the other. When you locate a jury preparation consultant or find a trial preparation consultant from our private detective agency to help you with your civil or criminal trial, then you have someone on your team with special training in deception detection and voir dire who can help you discover the truth by catching deceptive would-be jurors and striking them from the jury pool. Dr. Makayla Saramosing and her team of jury selection and trial preparation service providers have been providing jury preparation services and trial consultant services in Oklahoma for many years. She and her Resolute team use social science-based techniques to help clients select a jury who will be the most likely to side with you during your civil or criminal court proceedings. This is because Dr. Makayla has many advanced degrees and specialized training in how to read juries, catch liars, and to know which people on a jury will be most likely to side with the defense or the plaintiff/prosecution during court proceedings. The overall merits of your legal case can affect your legal outcome, whether desired or not. How strong is your criminal or civil case? The stronger your legal case is on its merits, the better the chances that our jury selection service and trial selection services will benefit you, and the greater the chance of your overall success in your civil or criminal trial. There are, of course, many factors which affect the outcomes of both civil and criminal trials. Some of these include, but are not limited to, the following. Which judge you have. The judge can also make a stark difference in the outcome of your civil or criminal trial. Because they can determine what evidence you will get to present, what legal defenses, witnesses, etc. you will get to proffer, etc. Additionally, some judges are very harsh on defendants while others are much more lenient. Sometimes it is possible to forum shop and judge shop by dismissing and refiling a judge who might be more favorable to your cause if the automated judicial selection system assigns you a bad judge. But this is not always possible or extremely easy. The jury you select. Jury selection is crucial and requires much trial preparation and skillful voir dire. When you are about to go to trial in a civil or criminal case, you can hire a jury preparation service or locate a trial preparation service with experts in the field of psychology, voir dire, etc., who use their knowledge of social science, deception detection, etc., to help you select the best possible jury for your civil or criminal trial proceedings. Witnesses availability and credibility. Which witnesses you call and how believable the judge and jury find them to be will also greatly influence the outcome of your legal case. Some witnesses may not show up for court, even though they have received a subpoena, while a judge may very well limit how many witnesses each side may even call. for expediency purposes of the trial. Amount, type, and reliability of evidence presented. Which evidence did each side present in court? DNA, expert witnesses, eyewitnesses, jailhouse snitches, video footage and photographs, bloody weapons, dead bodies. The amount and type of evidence each presents to sway the judge and jury as to the merits of their case can have a huge influence on the outcome of their case and their concomitant level of happiness or disdain. Pre-trial media exposure/court of public opinion, whether fair or not. There are many media sources which can influence public opinion on the guilt or innocence of an accused criminal defendant or other plaintiff or defendant in a civil trial. The sad fact is that many media sources sensationalize the information they distribute for rating purposes. What is worse, this information can also be grossly incorrect and can thus be very negligent misinformation that can hurt one or even both parties in a civil or criminal legal case. Social media has only exacerbated this problem because too many would-be so-called toilet sleuths think they know everything and can irreparably damage people's reputations in the process via defamation and slander. As you can see, there are many factors which can negatively or positively affect the overall outcome of criminal and civil proceedings. Our trial selection services and jury selection services will have a trained expert to help guide you through voir dire and the entire jury selection process. Lawyers are not required to follow the advice and counsel of our expert staff during the jury selection process, but those who do not often soon regret not having done so. Before you go into a legal battle, make the smart decision and choose to hire a jury selection service near me or find the best trial preparation service from the best private investigation agency to help you with all your voir dire jury selection and trial preparation procedures. Do not regret the end of the trial with a verdict that is not what you wanted. Do not risk your financial or criminal future by leaving the jury selection to chance. Call now. And as always, please be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons and to click the little bell so you get all the instant notifications. Also, please be sure to share this video on your social media and to comment on it. Thanks again for watching, and please check out all our other fun and insightful videos.